What is storytelling? My name is Billy Schofield, and for the last 37 years, I've been using storytelling to convey complex ideas to teams of engineers and scientists. And what I'm going to do today is share with you some of the things I have learned about storytelling. So thank you for attending this um, webinar today, and thank you for Fiona for inviting me to speak with you today. At the end of this webinar, you have a much better understanding of the storytelling concept and how to use it in various different business settings to get across your message. Now, during the course of the morning, we will be doing a number of surveys and quizzes just for fun, completely voluntary, and we're using Mentimeter to do that. So go to www.menti.com on your phone. Just open a tab on your phone at www.menti.com. And when the time comes, I'll give you a code to take part in the surveys or quiz. Completely voluntary, completely anonymous. If you don't want to take part, you don't need to. Now, storytelling captivates our attention. As soon as we start hearing a story, it captivates our attention. And if any of you have told stories to children, you'll know how powerful it is at teaching them. And children will continually ask to hear the same story over and over again. Our brains, the human brain, is adapted for storytelling. It's adapted to convey information by telling stories and to consume information by hearing stories. We are adapted to storytelling. The agenda for today's session is we'll look at the introductory module. Then we'll go into part 1, which is storytelling skills for business. We'll look at words, images, and memories that stick, that help us remember stories. We'll look at the aim of a story, the objectives of a story. We'll look at emotions. How do we put emotions into our storytelling? We'll look at the benefits of storytelling, and we'll learn how to make a story personal. Then we'll go on to part 2, the tools of business storytelling. And there we'll be looking at how we use humour, language and keyword emphasis, empathy and knowledge to improve our storytelling and help convey our messages in stories. Then this afternoon we'll do our close session. And throughout the day, you'll get many opportunities to interact and practice your storytelling skills in a fun way through breakout rooms. So let's do this. So first thing is, well, let's start with a story.